Hi guys, today we have brand new product from Blackberry. Introducing Tweazy. Tweazy Applicator Kit is an aid kit for tweezers. On the front of the box, there is our brand name, product of the name, description of the product, and hologram picture of the product. On the back side of the box, there is product name, manufacturer, material, service center number, and country of where it's made, which is made in Korea. When you open the box, there is an example picture of how to use Tweazy. Inside the box, there is 2 large and 2 small size tension control applicators, 2 applicators to prevent slipping, and 3 caps for protecting tweezers. Tweazy applicators are made with 100% non-toxic silicone from Korea. If they get contaminated, you can just wash them with water and reuse them again. To use the Tweazy applicator, push in the tension control applicator all the way inside the tweezers. You can place the tension control applicator on either side as you feel more comfortable. What I have on the tweezer is large sized tension control applicator. For less tension, you can use small size tension control applicator. If you want even less tension than small size, you can use slip avoiding applicator as tension control applicator. Push in and place the slip avoiding applicator to your thumb place. As you can see, Tweazy will improve tension and grip of tweezers. The protection cap is for when you store the tweezers. Place the cap on the tip of the tweezers before storing them away to prevent tweezers from damage. You can choose to place both applicators on the same side of the tweezers or place them on different sides.